Hello guys, what is up? I hope all is well, and in this video we will learn how can you make your URLs, actually the post names or posts user friendly. For example, if I click on this post and you will see here you can see basically uh, the post name, okay, which is a title. So this is actually very important if you want to rank on Google or any other search engine. This is what they are going to read. So to make this possible, if you just actually set up your WordPress website or maybe recently, and make sure you pay attention to your post. If this is a number or something else, then you have to change it so you can rank on Google. So what you need to do is to go to your dashboard, okay, in your WordPress dashboard here, and go to settings, and then you have to go to permalinks. Okay, just click on permalinks, and then from here make sure you choose post name. Okay, so when you do that, and then make sure you click the save button. Okay, and then you have to go back to your website or blog, and then you can basically just go to your home page and just check again. And as you can see, I got this long URL. Okay, uh, maybe it's too long, but anyways, this is how you make this happen. Okay, it's very important if you want to rank on Google. Make sure you actually check that option here. So the URL will be your website and the title of your post. Okay, so I hope this short video was helpful, and if it does, then please click the like button and share, and don't forget to visit my blog.